November 66 Romeo Delta. I do see the wall of smoke in front of me about 5 nautical miles. Today is not a great day to fly. It's been raining all morning. They're forecasting thunderstorms in the afternoon. But tomorrow we'll be flying. We're flying to Bentonville, Arkansas. So that would be roughly 500 plus nautical miles, and which would make my longest cross country. Today I'm here to do some pre-flight, make some preparations for the flight tomorrow. I'm gonna add the car seat and install my cameras and stuff like that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, who wants to say clear prop?
Clear prop.
Good job.
The KPDK Star Information Agency uniform. Fancy observation 1518 Zulu. Wind variable at 3. Visibility 10. Statute miles. Sky condition clouds scattered at 900. Temperature 14. Dew point 12. Altimeter 3004.
Not sure what was going on, but it is good to hear. Since the flight from Atlanta to Springdale, Arkansas is about 4+ hours, we needed a rest stop. So I filed an IFR flight plan to Delta Charlie Uniform, which is Decatur, Alabama, as my rest stop, with Millington, Tennessee, NQA as my alternate destination if we decide to continue on.
Expect 6,000, 10 minutes after. Departure frequency 126.907, squawk 7141.
066 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 280, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, traffic 1 mile right base, Cherokee.
Turn right 280, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff, 6 Romeo Delta. Okay, pump on, make sure right. Looks good.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, heading 280, contact Atlanta departure, good night.
280, contact departure. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, 280, climbing to 3000.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta departure ident. Climb maintain 4000.
Ident at 4000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 129 limit Charlie, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles, opposite direction of 6000 bearing. Number 66 Romeo Delta, ready contact 2 miles to the west of Peachtree to cab.
6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 270.
270, 6 Romeo. So in almost
66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center 134.95. Good day.
3495, 6 Romeo Delta, have a good day. Atlanta Center, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta.
Calling center, say again.
November 66 Romeo Delta, 270, 6000.
66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Center, clear direct Gadsden, VOR, Atlanta altimeter 3004.
3004, clear direct to Gadsden. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're flying to Bentonville, Alpha Sierra Golf, so which is about 500 nautical miles from PDK. So we're doing a pit stop in Alabama, Decatur, Alabama, Delta Charlie uniform right now. So we're gonna get some gas and maybe get some food, and then fly on our way to Alpha Sierra Golf, which is Springdale, Arkansas. As we were reaching the Gadsden VOR, the little one fell asleep. So we decided to continue on to our alternate rest stop, which is Millington, Tennessee.
Romeo Delta, contact Memphis approach 125.8.
125.8, 6 Romeo. Memphis approach, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, level 6000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Memphis approach. Expected visual approach 22 into Millington. Verify you have weather and Memphis altimeter 2997. 66 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down 4,000, 6 Romeo Delta. Memphis approach Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, any chance lower?
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Millington Airport, 11 o'clock, 10 miles.
6 Romeo Delta, I think I have the airport inside.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, clear visual approach, runway 22.
Clear visual to 22, 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, contact Millington Tower 120.25. Good day.
Contact tower, thanks for 6 Romeo Delta. Wellington Tower, Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, visual for 22.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Millington Tower for 2 mile left base for runway 22, altimeter 299er5.
Left base for runway 22, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, stay position.
6 Romeo Delta, we're on short final for 22.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, roger, runway 22, clear to land.
Runway 22, clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta.
The FBO CTI at Millington took a good care of us. After filling up the tanks at $4.95 per gallon, which is way cheaper than Atlanta, by the way, I filed an IFR flight plan to Alpha Sierra Golf.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Millington ground clear to Alpha Sierra Golf Airport, bear radar vectors, and then as filed. Maintain 2,000, expect 6,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be 125.8, squawk 4366.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, runway 22, flight heading 090, maintain 3,000, clear for takeoff.
09 at 0 and 3,000 for 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, contact Memphis departure.
Contact departure, Grumman. Memphis approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, just departed Wellington 090, climbing to 3000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Memphis approach, ident, altimeter 2991.
Ident for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, radar contact 1 mile south of Millington Airport, climb maintain 6,000.
6,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, leaving 3,000, turn left direct to your destination.
Left direct to destination 6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact approach 119.1.
119.1, 6 Romeo Delta. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 6,000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Memphis approach, altimeter 2990.
906 Romeo Delta. Welcome back, guys. So we stopped at Millington, got some gas, and had the lunch that we packed. Now we are on our way to Springdale, Arkansas. So we got about an hour and 34 minutes left. Got about 6 knots of headwind, not too bad. So we're at 6,000 right now. 129 knots of ground speed. Let's go a little bit faster than that. So far it seems so smooth. Memphis Center, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
Yeah, any chance higher just to cross over these ridges? It's been bumpy.
November 66 Romeo Delta, maintain 8,000.
8006 Romeo.
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact Razorback approach 126.6.
126.66 Romeo.
As we were cruising to our destination, we saw multiple plumes of smoke along our road.
Bill 2973, advise Romeo, plan on the visual to 16.
We've got Romeo, and can we get maybe 10 degrees left to get through the smoke here?
204 to golf, no problem, turn 10 degrees to the left.
Razorback approach, Grumman 66, level 8.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Razorback, good afternoon, advise weather at Springdale, plan on the visual, approach to runway 18.
I'll let you know about the weather when we get to 6 Romeo.
6 Romeo Delta, altimeter Fayetteville, 2973.
2973.
Airport. Automated weather observations 2111 Zulu. Wind 150 at 10 knots. Peak gust 18 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we have the weather for Springdale.
6 Romeo Delta, roger, descend pilot's discretion, maintain 4,000.
Right down 4,006 Romeo.
Aircraft I was calling, asking how I read, go ahead.
And Razorback 3012 Hotel. I'm sure you guys are aware, but about 3 miles west of my present position is a large wall of smoke, probably extending up to 7,000 feet, solid IFR.
November 66 Romeo Delta, I do see the wall of smoke in front of me, about 5 nautical miles just west of me, 6 Romeo Delta.
Roger, the last report I got was it was going up to at least 7,000 feet. If you want to vector around it, just let me know.
Approach 6 Romeo Delta, how about turn north at this point and then see if I can join the turn back south after the clouds in the smoke.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, roger, turn right heading 340.
340, 6 Romeo Delta.
At this point, I wanted to make sure not to fly directly over the source of the smoke and try not to get suffocated in the smoke. So we flew north further downwind before we decided to turn back to the airport.
Approach Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, do you want me to stay at 4,000 at this point?
Number 6 Romeo Delta, the tops of that are around 8,000. It was only about 5 miles wide, say intentions.
I can fly a little bit north with this heading and I'll let you know, but do you want me to make sure, I want to make sure my altitude is okay at 4,000.
6 Romeo Delta, affirmative. It's, I can get you all the way down to 3,100, but 4,000 is fine with me, but if you need higher, just let me know.
I'll stay at 4,000 for now, 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, just advise when you want to turn back towards the airport.
I could turn west at this point. Looks like I'm close to the end of the smoke wall here, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, roger, turn left heading 250.
250 for 6 Romeo Delta.
For 733 Victor Romeo, departure frequency 126.6, squawk 0410, change to advisory.
Right downwind 1A, Hotel here.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, 6 Romeo Delta, I'm out of the smoke.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, airport 11 o'clock, 9 miles.
Negative 6 Romeo Delta, I don't have the airport inside.
6 Romeo Delta, flighting 270.
270, 6 Romeo.
On the ground at Bentonville, standby. November 66 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 200, advise the airport in sight.
Have the airport inside, 6 Romeo.
6 Romeo Delta is cleared visual, approach runway 18, contact Springdale Tower 118.2.
Contact tower, visual approach for 18, 6 Romeo. Springdale Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, visual for 18.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Springdale Tower, runway 18, cleared to land, wind 170 at 12, gust 18.
Runway 18, cleared to land, 6 Romeo.
Air 89er Juliet, traffic at 12 o'clock and a mile and a half at 2,000, a helicopter.
I've got him inside 89 Juliet.
Maintain visual separation with him and remain east of the final. I've got traffic turning final. You can contact departure.
We'll maintain visual separation of the helicopter and east of final 89 Juliet, contacting departure.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn right to next taxiway and taxi to park.
Turn right next taxiway to Park 6 Romeo.
Thanks for riding along, and be sure to come back for our return trip back home.